I'm Cécile, a French artist, both digital and traditional. In this class I will show you how to make a watercolor portrait in Procreate using a picture and a brush set of watercolor brushes I gave you. I will show you how to do this from a picture. I will help you to choose your picture and give you tips for a good one. And I will explain everything. This class is meant for beginners, as you really don't need any drawing skills, or intermediate one, because if you have drawing skills, it's your time to use them. You will need obviously an iPad and an Apple Pencil and Procreate. Basic skills in Procreate would be handy, but not really necessary. I will show you everything. At the end of this class, you'll have a beautiful watercolor portrait. I'm really happy to see you again, so please join me in this class and see you soon. Au revoir!